Okay, let's look at the section 1.3 set operations. We're going to talk about the 4 set operations. Right? The first one is union. So we can write notation is A union B. Right? So this is just a set collection of elements so that either X is in A or X is in B. Right, so the element does not have to belong to both A and B, just has to be one of them. Right. The best way to visualize this would be using the Venn diagram. So Venn diagram, which looks like this. To represent the universal set, we put a box. So this box represents a universal set. So we indicate that by putting U there. Right? Then you use a circle to represent each set. Right? So that would be A, and this one is set B. All right? Then in this case, we're talking about A union B, so it's either in A or in B. So I'm going to shade it using green, right? So it should be the region right here, right? So including all these guys, but it has to belong to at least one of A or B. Right, so that will be the union of two sets. Right. Second set operation would be intersection. We can take the intersection of two sets, A intersect B, which is the collection of elements which are in both A and B at the same time. So the elements have to belong to both A and B, right? So if you want to shade that, here's the region, right? It has to be in B, A, and B at the same time, right? Third operation is difference. So when we say A minus set B, right? So this is going to be a collection of elements such that, okay, first thing is that X has to be in A at the same time, not in B. All right. So if you shade the region, and you can see that, okay, so it has to be in A, but cannot be in B. So we're talking about the region, right? Oops, sorry, different color. So we're talking about the region right here. All right. And the fourth set operation is complement. So when we write, the notation is A complement, right? So this is the set of elements. So you can actually use the difference to, so this is going to be everything. So that will be a universal set, but A. All right. So actually, in the Venn diagram, we don't really need two sets, so I should probably erase this. then rewrite it. You have 1 set A, so that's A right there. All right. So A complement is everything but A. Another way to write it is that it's going to be a collection of elements in U such that X is not in A. All right. So if you shade that region, it's going to be everything outside A. So that'll be right there. So I'm going to just shade it. Okay, right like that. And here. Right. So that region represents a complement. All right. I hope that this was clear.